2, 1.
Well, we did it. You take all the videos you want.
All right.
I don't know if blue smoke is oil. Black smoke is excessive fuel. Black smoke is fine. I mean, the way I was dumping gas in it, who knows? Carburetor's probably gummed up and things. Now, blue smoke could be just fitted in storage, or a ring could be broke. But it isn't smoking now. I don't think it. I think it might be a pretty good answer. The thing we'll do, make it better. On Volkswagen, you top these off, take the cover off, and adjust the valve. You take it off, and take it off. You can do that on each side. It might not hurt to get new points in it. Yeah, I mean, maybe the carburetor. I got some gum out I can spray in there right now even. But I mean, I think we've got a car. We've learned with something seriously wrong with the tranny, and maybe that's why it was parked.
Well, it's gonna stall.
Yeah. Not too shabby.
All right.
You want to run
Well,
it again or not?
All right. I think we.
Enough damage.
Yeah.
Disconnect.
Yeah, paint's starting to chip off of that. Look, it got real warm.
Where?
Right there.
Yeah. Well, couldn't run it.
All right. Well, we know that we have a working engine on our hands.
Yes. Enough for today?
Mhm.
You sure?
Yeah.
I'm gonna see here. You know, you got gasoline going through here, and you got the exhaust here. And if this thing would rest on there, remember I said these old Volkswagens, you don't drive them anywhere without owning a fire extinguisher.
Oh yeah. that could be catastrophic.
Yeah. Now, what I'm gonna do? Let's hang these up.
All right.
Leave this on. That hangs up right there.
All right.
This is what's called an automatic battery charger. It's probably 40 years old. It's one of the first ones made. And it's still working. It still works. And the nice thing is it won't overcharge the battery. So I can leave this on there. Yeah. Go to sleep tonight.
shirt up. You know, you gotta have gasoline in your blood vein to do this.